Shout out to Peter Blair, aka the Mad Scientist. We were talking about building a small lathe a while back. This is what I'm kind of coming up with. This is my tailstock. Adjustable. This is a profile of a piece of 1/2-inch round stock. Center drilled 1/8 inch piece of welding rod that's going to get sharpened and placed in there so it's replaceable. This is sharpened now, placed in the chuck. So this is a 5-inch piece, big enough to make small handles. This is just a scrap piece just to demonstrate. Serpentine belt idler, 3/8 shaft, 2 lock nuts on both sides. Jacob's chuck. Quarter-horse motor. So this is what I come up with for a tool rest. Pretty simple. Won't be able to take the horse to the bar because he doesn't have any shoes. So I don't have a phone holder, so it's kind of hard to turn and show you, but looks like it works pretty good to me. So I built this to kind of duplicate some old wooden chisel handles. I made it so you could move the tailstock out to 8.5 or 12 inches. I'm going to work on making some homemade turning tools. Just wanted to thank some of the guys and gals that have subscribed to my channel. Wood Psyche, Amy Jo, Dennis Nolan, Olden Carving John, and hopefully we'll get Peter Blair to subscribe. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.